Today I'm going to teach you how to make these crunchy, delicious snacks at the comfort of your home. Lovers of good food, let's do this one again. Okay, we start by sieving in the flour in a clean bowl. To that I'll go in with nutmeg, vanilla sugar, normal sugar, and salt mixed to combine very well. Now, here comes the secret of these snacks, the shredded onions. Please do not skip it. Go in with 1 tablespoon of shredded onions, 1 egg, and your warm milk. Continue to mix until you form a perfect and non-stick dough. Thank you all for watching. If today is your first time of coming across my channel, please do not forget to subscribe, like and share this video, and turn on your notification bell so that you'll be notified every time I release a new recipe. Once I'm done mixing to form a non-stick dough, I will transfer it on a work surface. Then I will roll it out. Using this method of rolling it will help you to achieve the flatness you want without sticking on the floor or on the rolling pin. Once you roll it out, you flip it over and continue to roll it out. If you notice that it's sticking on your rolling pin or on the work surface, sprinkle some flour on top of it and continue the process. Continue rolling until no life is left on the dough again. Now get your tray and drizzle some flour on it so that it doesn't stick once you put the doughs inside it. Now get your pizza cutter and begin to cut the dough to any shape of your choice. Once you are done cutting, your dough should be as flat as this for you to get that crunchy texture. And it should be stretchy for you to know that you get a perfect dough. Now arrange the doughs inside the tray that you drizzle some flour and make sure they didn't stick on each other. Once you lay the first layer, you sprinkle some flour, then you add the other layers. Continue that process until all the doughs is all laid, just like this. Place your vegetable oil on a heat, very moderate heat, not too hot and not too cold, and go in with part of the coated dough. Immediately you add in the dough, make sure you separate them so that they didn't gum together while frying. So here I noticed that I added excess dough that it couldn't allow them to free themselves, so I have to get some out so that they will have enough space to fry very well. Remember to flip time to time so that all the parts will be fried. Once it turns golden brown, you cannot take it out from heat. Spread on a parchment paper or on a kitchen towel to drain off excess oil. Repeat the process to the remaining one. And here you have your healthy, crunchy snacks made at the comfort of your home. Will you be trying this recipe at home or will you save it for later? Thank you for watching, and do not forget to like and share this video to your loved ones. Subscribe to my channel if you have not done so, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye bye.
This is why kitchen a lifestyle. We dey cook and we dey prove am. Don't know moment for this kitchen. Chef vibes activate the lifestyle activate. And the hot oil they fry, onions they dance, aroma they fly. Add the pepper let it bust more. Now this kind taste go make you fall. In chai kitchen and lifestyle.